Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the adjustable ergonomic laptop desk by AboveTEK. So let's get started. I would like to thank AboveTEK for being kind enough to send this product out to me and for sponsoring this video. Their support to the channel really means a lot. So here is the box itself. There's a picture of the actual product. It's a large 24-inch tabletop. It serves a variety of different purposes, and this one is in the birch color. We then have some other highlights about the product on the back side of the box. So it has adjustable angles from 0 to 30 degrees. It has an adjustable height of 9.5 inches to 13 inches. And you can use this for a variety of different purposes, including a bed sofa table, a laptop stand, a standing desk, a breakfast tray, a reading holder, a drawing table, and even a camping table. So I'm not going to take this out of the box and then show you the product itself. So you can see here we have this birch looking material as the tabletop. Then down below we have the AboveTEK logo. Now flipping this over, you can see we have the two legs. So to move these legs into the stand-up position, all you have to do is just pull this clip down on each side, and then you can simply just pull these out. Then from there, you're going to want to lock these clips back into place. And then at this point, you can technically begin using the desk. You can just flip it over like so, and then just put your laptop on top or whatever you want to put on it and use it. But if you want to make these legs even longer, all you have to do is push this clip in and then pull the leg down. So the one side is done. We'll flip this over and pull the other leg down as well. And now the table is at its full height. You can also adjust the angle of the tabletop by pulling out these clips, and then you can move it up and down to an angle of your liking. So if you're using this as a laptop stand, I can definitely see this tilt feature coming in handy. So we're going to tilt it to this degree here and lock it in place. Lock in the other side as well. Now we have two other cool things in the front here. So we have these little clips. So if you're worried about your laptop sliding off into your lap, then you just move these clips up and it'll kind of lock it in. And then we have this nice rubber piece here that gives you a little bit more comfort when using your mouse on this table. So we have this laptop here on the stand, and with these clips in place, you don't have to worry about the laptop sliding out. So you can kind of clip it in there nice and snug, so it's not going anywhere at all. And then you can take your mouse, put that right here, and then begin using the mouse and using the laptop. You're getting a nice rubber material on the bottom of these feet too, so that the table will never slide around. And overall, I am very impressed with the design of this product. I found it to work really well, especially when using it at my couch. It's definitely a lot better than just putting your laptop on your lap because you do get an actual table surface. And it makes it way better too if you are a big fan of using a traditional mouse versus using the touchpad on your laptop. I know I'm definitely going to be using this with my gaming laptop a little bit later, and that'll be nice because I don't have to sit at my desk to game. I can literally just sit on my couch and use my computer however I want it to. So in conclusion, I'm a big fan of this product by AboveTEK. I think they did a great job designing it, and it's certainly really high quality with a great build overall. I'm actually really surprised that they're even able to offer it for the affordable price tag that it's currently available at. So right now you can actually get this on Amazon for 45 bucks. Now I don't know if it's going to be that price forever, so if you want to see the latest up-to-date pricing, definitely take a look at the link in the video description. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, thank you to AboveTEK for sponsoring this video. This is certainly an excellent product. It's been a pleasure to use. Now, of course, using this in the laptop configuration is one of many different uses of this product. So I challenge you, when you get this, to find as many uses as possible for this table. But this is Kevin here. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any questions at all, and I will see you in the next video.